So verbs are three tenses. One is past, present, and future tense. Like we can see one by one. So present tense, though present tense is used to describe the things that are happening the right now. So something called now. So that is called as a present tense. The past tense, so mostly it is happened in the past. The past tense is used to describe the things that have already happened in the earlier days and yesterday, last week, some years ago. So that will call it as a past tense. Next one is future tense. So future tenses describe the things that have yet to happen. So something called it will happen in the future. So for example, later, tomorrow, next week, next year, or some year after. So this will call it as a future tense. So like first we can see the present tense. The present tense having the four format. One is simple present, present continuous, and present perfect, and another one is present perfect continuous. So first one is simple present. So formula rules for the simple present is subject V plus V1 verb, yes or es plus object. So like usually, like how we will describe the present simple present tense is, so it is used to denote universal truth, habitual actions, or work done in the daily basis or a particular interval of time. So there are some words like we can easily identify the simple present. So that is every day, sometimes, always, often, usually, seldom. We can see some examples from simple present. So first one is the earth revolves around the sun. So this is a universal truth. So this will call it as a simple present tense. Next one is there are something like we have two things like a negative simple present and interrogative simple present. So negative means like a something like they are not like in the negative format. So first the example is she does not like to play now. So at the moment she is not like, maybe she will like in the future. So this will call it as a negative sentence. Interrogative means like something we will ask in the question format. So for example, do you want to watch a movie now? So in here in this sentence, so that now is added. So it is asking, it is representing the present tense. So that this will call it as an interrogative sentence in simple present. Next one is present continuous or progressive. It means like this something happened in the past, but it is going on the till now. So that will call it as a present continuous. So like rules for that, some subject plus is, am, or plus V1 verb plus ing plus object. So it is used to express an ongoing process which is taking place at the time of speaking. So it may be a short time or it may be a long time. So like some of the words like now, at the moment, etc. So often indicates the sentence in the present continuous tense. We can see some examples for that. So example is, I am eating an apple. So the eating process is starting, but it is not stopped yet. So that it is called a, so it is called a present continuous tense. So that way we are at a verb plus ing format. So present tense we have to use ing format, present continuous. So next example is, the children are getting ready for the party. They are not ready yet, so they are getting ready. The process is still going. It is started in the past, but it is still going. So in the sentence, like we have to use verb plus ing format. Next one is Priya is studying mechanics this semester. So this is a long-term action. So she started studying from the past, but it is not completed yet. So that's why like we have to use verb plus ing format. Next one is, I am working with an NGO. This is also like a long-term process. So I am working with an NGO from some year ago, but still I am doing the things. So that's why it is called it as a present continuous tense. Next one is present perfect tense. So like rules for this: subject plus has or have plus V3 verb plus object. So it is used to show an action that is started in the past and just finished now. So it is finished. So it is also used to indicate a past action as continue to present at the moment. So some of the word we are like we can identify that is just, yet, never, ever, already, so far, up to now, since, recently. We can see some examples for this. First example, she has written a novel. So she has started some days ago, but now it is completed. So that that why we are used in the V3 format. Plus, if it is she or he, we have to use has. And next one is we have broken the protocol. This is also like we have broken now. So, but we have started in the beginning, but it is completed now. Here, like we have to use V3 verb. Next one is she has worked as a freelance writer for 2 years. Like she has worked, but she has not worked a freelancer at the moment, but she has worked 2 years. She has started in the past 2 years before, but now she has completed that work. So that's why it is a V3 verb. And when it comes to I, we have to use have. It means like I have seen the movie. So it is a past action, but like talks about the experience from the past. So like I have seen the movie in the past, but I am like explaining now. So I'm talking now. So that's why it is a V3 verb. Next one is present perfect continuous. So rule for this is subject plus has or have plus been plus V1 verb plus ing plus object. So it describes an action which began at a particular point of the time in the past but has continued till now. It means like something it's not completed yet. In this sentence, the emphasis is on the length of time of an action. Usually in this tense, like we are representing the time indicators such as for, since are mentioned in the indicates the length of the time. We can see some examples for this. First example, Prem has been working as a business analyst for 10 years. Like he has started 10 years ago, but like still like he is doing that business analyst work only. The action started in the past and has not continued until now. So it is the going process. So that's why we are using the has and like been and plus be the verb plus ing sentence. So next example is Sheila has been going to the gym since last Saturday. It is started in the past Saturday, like, but it is still going. The process is going still. So that's why we are using a verb plus ing sentence. So next one is I am unwell because I have not been eating. So it means I am unwell now because of an action that started in the past. Like we can see some exercise for this. First exercise, my father dash for a walk in the morning.
Goes for a walk.
Yeah, goes verb plus es because it's a habitual action. Like we have to use a verb plus es. Next one is I dash coffee in the morning.
Drink.
Sorry.
Drink.
Yeah, drink. Because it is mentioning the I, we have to use drink. So if it is he or she, we have to use verb plus s. Next one is this book. Can I borrow it for a week or so?
I have not read this book.
Haven't read.
Yeah, haven't read this. So next one is birds dash their nets in the trees.
Make.
Oh, yeah, correct. Make.
Does are making also come here? Because it also fits in the context. Like birds are making their nests in trees.
Yeah, the both. Yeah, so yeah, correct. The both will come. Birds make their nest in the trees, and they are also will come. Are making.
Yeah, one becomes a fact and another action. Right?
Yeah, correct. Next one is the PGN dash the art of nest making.
Does not know.
Yeah. Next one is Maria is good at language. She dash French, Spanish, and Germans.
Speaks. She,
Yeah. She, speaks. Next one is sorry, I have missed this on the sentence. I will go to the sentence. Pete, yeah.
Has written, I think so far he has written 5 stories.
5 stories. Yeah, for the children. This is the completed sentence. So it will come. The has written will come.
Yeah, it's
Next,
present perfect, I guess.
Yeah, present perfect sentence. Yeah. Next one is Peter dash in a factory.
Works.
Yeah.
He's working.
He's working
both,
also.
Yeah, both can come depending.
Yeah,
on the
works and works and because it's representing he, so that in the case we have to use works. And one more sentence, like we can use Peter is working in the factory. Both can come. And the next one is she dash since noon she wake up her up. Should we wake up here?
It has been third option.
Yeah, she has been sleeping. So it started from the past in the noon, but it is till she is sleeping. So that is the case. We have to use has been sleeping. She has been sleeping since noon. Should we wake up here? Next one is she dash since Monday.
She has been sick since Monday, right? From past to present.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, she has been sick, so till also like she is sick only. So that's why here it's a since it's coming, so we have to use has been sick. I dash my work already. I am ready to go for a walk with you.
I finished.
Yeah, it is a finished one. So I have finished my work already, so I am ready to go for a walk with you. I have completed my work, so in that case like we have to use have finished. Next one is they must be at the sports ground now. They usually dash basketball on Fridays.
Play.
Yeah, they play. Yeah, correct. They must be at the like a sports ground now, so they usually play basketball on Fridays. Yeah, that's all from us.